Hey, well, welcome to my show. Today on this video, you're gonna see a lot of electronics involved. We're gonna listen to tons of music with the different speakers, beautiful small bookshelf monitor audio speakers. We're gonna connect to the large speakers. Then we're gonna see a bunch of electronics, since like this tiny cheap microphone, it makes great audio, right? So this is a Chat GPT Bluetooth speaker built in Alexa, so you can combine two Alexa and speak with each other. This is MT19BT. This is Bluetooth amplifier. Also, you have a DAC system and it's the timbres. We're gonna unbox and take a look. While I'm doing unboxing, this is just for the beginning, and we're gonna see a lot of electronics involved in this video, right? So this is a Acrylic Bluetooth turntable. As you can see, beautiful unit. A long time I wanted turntable, but it wasn't something like this, but now I finally got this turntable. As you can see, there's a bunch of instruction manuals, the wires, all that stuff, and let's unbox it, take a look. This is what I was looking for. So let me put everything together and we're gonna start doing close-up shots and reviews, right? All right, as you can see, I set it up the turntable, that's cover. And as you can see, this is a beautiful art piece. That's what I wanted. It's a long time. Now it's finally got it. So as you can see, the arm piece is going to be locked, so you can unlatch this and you're going to lift it and you put it down to this part right here. You can drop it and it's going to go slowly down. As you can see, very slow, it's going down. When you finish, you just lift it up like that and you put it back on the spot, right? So even you didn't pay a lot of money, this cartridge, it's plays from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, so very nice and clean playing table. So we're gonna see how this thing is gonna be working, all that stuff. So pretty much the brushless low noise motor, so it's gonna be very efficient and it's gonna be playing very nice and smooth. We're gonna turn on in a minute. On the back we have all the controllers. As you can see, you have a dual speed 33 or 45 RPM. You have two outputs, phono out, line out. You can do that, or Bluetooth out. That's a huge plus if you want to listen this turntable in a different place. For example, you set it up your listening room, but you have a bigger speakers, something like that, huge setup. You can Bluetoothly transfer the music and you're going to able to listen on your listening room. Or I'm going to install my turntable here because most of the time I'm going to listen on this audio device here. Also, if you have a Bluetooth speakers or the headphones, you don't want to bother anybody else, you're going to just connect through the Bluetooth. So this is a Bluetooth output is huge. Also, the USB output, as you can see, for the PC, they include the wires, so you can just transfer your vinyl, the music, to the USB digitally recorded, so you have always the backup system and you can listen the vinyls all in your phone and anything like that, right? So this one's going to be just a pitch adjustments. I cover all of them, auto stop and auto off. It's automatically on off here, and this is the power button here. Only thing I wanted, just the front, it's going to be nice and beautiful. You have to reach out on the back sometimes when you're listening. Only this button I wish they did on the front, so I could switch it, but it's here. That's fine. All right, you need that nice amplifier to listen to your music, right? That's why we have intelligent digital power amplifier here. This is M19BT version, right? So let's unbox quickly and take a look what is inside. All right, huge plus, it comes with the remote control, so you can adjust your echo, the microphones, all that stuff. It's a really nice device. Instruction manual. So the power they supply for 24 volts output, so it's going to be 100 watts per channel, 2 channel, and this is actually built in that inside. And you have a microphone input, headphone output, and you have treble and the bass output. Power output is a small, nice, tiny device. We're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna connect to the speakers and we're gonna run some music, right? The wires are, that's okay, but sometimes I use this kind of wires. Most of the time I use my own wire. Also, it's a Bluetooth input, so we're gonna use that Bluetooth input too. Well, this is minimalistic look. You can do it, a listening room, anything like that, on your office or some alternative rooms, right? So we have a turntable, it's plain. You can connect for the small amplifier, but when you have high definition, high fidelity speakers, you're gonna hear a lot nicer sounds, something like this. Alright, turntable automatically turns off, and also you have a bunch of modes here, so you can just click.
Line in, coaxial mode, optical mode, Bluetooth mode, line in.
So you can go through it, and also you have, as I say before, microphone input, headphone input. So they advertise two dual the chip, so sound quality is for the price okay. This is not the killer the unit, but it's a DAC built in, so a lot of units it doesn't have a DAC inside, but this one has a DAC inside also. I have a big fly here. So also you have microphone input. In the microphone you can do a lot of karaoke because echoes, all that stuff, it's in it, so it's gonna be very fun to have it. But can you run the big huge speakers on these amplifiers? Absolutely not. Even they advertising 100 watts per channel, it's the maximum 100 watts, or you have to replace for 36 volt the power adapter, right? But for the bookshelf speakers, they're perfect. And let's go to the next setup. All right guys, before I move to the next room, next setup, next music, all the electronics, right? This is Weilianda, right? They make a lot of couches for movie theater rooms. All you can use like me, like for the rooms, right? So when I ordered, it comes with a big box. I was pushing around all that stuff when I unboxed, and I was scared from the first to order entire set for the movie theaters. You don't know online the quality, all that stuff. Of course, it's get a lot of people is like putting the good reviews, but it's hard. So you can order one piece like this, or you can order multiple units like the triples, the corner ones, or for the entire movie sets, right? This is a video for you to reviews, right? Fit and finish quality, it's like a top notch, like very looks and feels expensive, right? On the video you're not gonna see that much because it's gonna be exactly like online stuff, but you can trust on me, right? Here you have a bunch of adjustments, so you can do all entire like very quiet nice motor, the fast motor. So it's gonna goes all the way down flat. You can lay down, or you can separately lift it up the headrest like this. Is a separate button, right? For the headrest, it's going to be lifted up. So if you're laying down, so the headrest is going to be up and down. So two large areas on the side, so you can put your stuff here, storage area, or you have a table here. You can take the table. You can mount this place right here, and you have a table for your laptop, for your any work situation, or you want to eat something, or the popcorns. You have cup holders on the both side, right? You can install it. Beautiful LEDs. It's gonna be lit up on the LEDs. At the night, you can turn off when you're watching. So you're gonna enjoy your LEDs. I have big fly for some reason. So Weilianda, it's but really good company. They offer multiple colors, and you can enjoy. I put the links on the description. So let's go to the next setup. All right, so we move to this room right here, right? As you can see, we have a large two speakers. That's the giant speakers. These speakers, the tower speakers, that big tower speakers, right? But you have these ones, the 15-inch drivers. If you're new to my channel, definitely watch my other videos. I test a lot of amplifiers, the small units on this one. The subwoofers are giant 15-inch subwoofers, but we're gonna test these high definition speakers. Watch this, guys. The beautiful high definition speakers, right? They sound amazing. Look at the central channel. These central channel, 4 6.5 speakers, and the 4-inch drivers on the middle. Okay, we're gonna put these guys here. Watch. And we can put these guys on the side right here, something like that, right? And now we have entire setup, like beautiful setup. Watch, this is my beautiful turntable. It lives here for now, and it's gonna play nice my other vinyls, my favorite music. On the bottom we have speaker selector. This is ATOTO. I put the links on the description for entire the unit, all the electronics I have here. So this is Trico computer system. I run the computer on my 75-inch. This is a 75-inch TV, but it's compared with these giant speakers. This TV looks like small, but it's like large. And all the speakers are giant speakers. As you can see, these speakers are huge. So now I have a huge display, 45-inch, and it's gonna listen to the microphone, and it's gonna show you the view meter, or it's gonna be a speaker selector here. So multiple speakers. You can do the front, side, or left and right speakers, right? You can do just adjustment more the light colors here. So the tint colors, right? Trico is a very nice computer system. Now I have a beautiful turntable, and we're gonna run these amplifier right here, tiny amplifier. All right, just install the amplifier, and we're gonna start playing. So actually, when you can click this button, and it's gonna be play pause, and as you can see, every time I turn, I thought I have a problem with this unit, but this unit doesn't have a problem, right? Watch. When I'm doing this, actually it's working, right? As soon as I turn my phone, it's freeze up. Only when I'm recording. If I stand up back, it works perfectly. Watch this. Right, I don't know. Every time I come closer, it's freeze up. I don't know. So now we are playing with those speakers, big speakers. I'm gonna switch them. Now these professions, paradigms, I'm sorry. I'll make it louder. Watch, this one's working. It's freeze up, right? Watch, it's gonna work. Alright. The paradigm's playing. It's got distortion because it's working over 70%. I'm gonna switch for the big one. That's cool. Alright, so I have to find out why this unit is freezing up. So you can switch this unit. Every time I look at the camera this side, it's freeze up. I don't know what's going on with this. If I go far, it starts working. So you can switch to the microphone. As you can see, I put the cameras up and it's worked, so I gotta do that. You can switch to the microphone, so it's gonna be taking the voice, anything music is placed. If you have a Bluetooth speaker, all that stuff, it plays that. Trico, the computer system, is very good working unit, right? Also, this is like the affordable Bunnyx microphone. I was recording today all the videos, and it's working flawless, right? It's a voice command, all that stuff. You can use for the Samsung, or you can use for the iPhone. It's charged here, and you have a 2 device. It's good, it's affordable, and it works. So now Dinan is my favorite amplifier, receivers all in it, and it has a DSP, and when you adjust the DSP, the speakers sounds amazing. Turntable, beautiful turntable. Now I have Nice turntable. It's gonna leave up here. So back to the speaker amplifier. This is not the strongest amplifier, of course, built-in DAC, all that stuff. I talk about that. You can listen, you can sing the karaoke right now. If I plug the microphone, I can sing the karaoke, all that stuff, and you have echo adjustments. It's very, very good. But you're not gonna run the giant speakers like these. These speakers are too heavy for this kind of unit. For the bookshelf speakers, that's good. After 70%, it's get distortion. If you want the cleanest the unit, it's gonna be Coaxial or fuzzy audio. It's making very, very good amplifiers. I did tons of videos, but also a bunch of amplifiers, right? So now for the bookshelf, the small speakers are the very good amplifier. So multiple inputs.
Line in. Coaxial mode. Optical mode. Bluetooth connected.
So you see that you can run your TV, you can run a bunch of electronics through this, and the beautiful turntable right here. Audio keeper, right? I put the links on all these devices on description. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you like this kind of setup or not. But if you personally listen to music, you will be just amazed how all the setup, it sounds like they sounds amazing. All right, for the bye-bye, you guys play this music, listen and enjoy. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely guys subscribe it and comment below what you guys think all the setup and all the electronics, right? I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.